Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to install iOS 14 on any iPhone that really supports it. Now I'm going to tell you this right now, you should not install this on a main phone. If you're even thinking about installing this on a main phone, do not install it. That's a really bad idea. This XS Max is not my main phone. I don't use this every day and I'm totally okay with installing a beta on it. So that's the mindset you have to go. Like if you're okay with losing all the data on your phone, and having a very inconsistent device, then go for it. So that's why I would not recommend you installing iOS 14 on a main phone. So the other thing, even if it's your side device, I would recommend, doing a backup in case. Again, like I said, don't do it on your main phone, but if you are going to for some reason, make sure you back up every single thing on it, your photos, your texts, your all that stuff, whether iCloud backup or hardware backup from your computer. I would recommend doing it that way. So the first thing you want to do is determine whether you're a developer or not. If you are a developer, you can go to Apple's website and download the beta profile and the IPSWs from there. But if you're not a developer, what you can actually do is go to this website right here, which I will also link down in the description below. It's called betaprofiles.com. And once you're here, what you can do is click the iOS right here. It'll scroll you down right here, and you can also get the IPSWs from here if you need to, which if the beta profile doesn't work, you can always restore it from your computer. Now once you're here, what you want to do is click download. It'll go ahead and take you into this page. Now once you're here, you want to click allow. And then at this point, what you want to do is make your way over to settings, which is right here. You have to scroll down into general, which is right there. You have to scroll down into profiles and device management. And right up top, you'll see iOS 14 beta, whatever, right? Now I'm going to show you something. If you're on the iOS 13 beta, like I was on this device, you will not automatically get the iOS 14 beta. You have to be on the iOS 14 one. So right now I'm on iOS 13 beta. If you're in that case, what you will need to do is go into profiles, device management, delete your existing iOS 13 one. So I'm going to click here, click remove. It might make me restore my device. No, it doesn't. And then at this point, what you want to do is click on the iOS 14 beta. You want to click the install button up here. You want to click agree, click install down here, and then it will require you to restart your iPhone. So give it a sec, let it restart, and then you'll actually be able to download it just like any other software update. Now here are some regular things that you probably should already know. You will need to be over, I think, 20% battery charge, and you also need your iPhone plugged in probably. And you also want to make sure that you have enough storage saved on your device to install the update. I needed about 5 gigabytes saved on even on my iPhone XS Max like this one and my iPhone XS. I actually had to delete a bunch of stuff in order to install it. So once your phone fully reboots, what you want to do is you make your way back over to settings. You want to make your way over to general, the same thing we did before. And right here where it's software updates, you want to click that. And you will see that you will have the iOS 14 beta profile. And as you can see, iOS 14 developer beta. I can go ahead and download and install this, and you want to go ahead and click download and install, and it will take a while for it to fully download. It took forever on my devices, and from there it'll download. You click install now, and it's pretty much straightforward from there. So that's exactly how you get it downloaded onto your device. If you have any questions or into any other problems, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.